Hey everybody, it's Jen Keenan here at the Four Squares Residential Group at Keller Williams Realty, coming to you with my Love the Way You Live video series. So a lot of you know I've been doing home renovations at my house, and in particularly here in my bedroom. We're almost done, and I'll have a big reveal soon. But one of the things I discovered in this process, we had to get new light fixtures. And I discovered these fantastic LED fixtures that don't require any bulbs to be changed. So it's pretty cool. They have these really nice, beautiful fixtures, I think. They're super slim, they hug the ceiling, and you don't ever have to change a light bulb. They're good for 10 years. They're a little bit more expensive than your traditional fixture, but the fact that you don't have to worry about ever crawling up on a ladder and changing a fixture or cleaning it was enough for me to be sold on it. So the next time you're at your hardware store, I encourage you to look at the LED lights that are out there. They throw off great light, they're dimmable, and they're just a wonderful way to save energy even more these days that we're all trying to do. So that is our message for this month, and until next time, I hope you love the way you live.